Have you ever wondered if your online bank is truly as secure and reliable as it claims? Today, we're diving deep into Tangerine Bank, a popular Canadian online bank. Is it a safe and trustworthy option for your hard-earned money? Let's find out. Tangerine Bank, formerly ING Direct Canada, has been a major player in the Canadian online banking scene for years. Known for its high-interest savings accounts and lack of monthly fees, it's a popular choice among many. But with the ever-evolving landscape of online banking, is Tangerine still a top contender? Customer satisfaction. One of the most important factors to consider when choosing a bank is customer satisfaction. Tangerine has consistently received positive reviews from its customers, praising its user-friendly online platform, excellent customer service, and competitive rates. However, it's always a good idea to check recent reviews and see if there have been any significant changes in customer sentiment. Security and privacy. In the digital age, security is paramount. Tangerine employs advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. They use encryption technology, fraud monitoring systems, and require strong passwords to safeguard your accounts. However, it's essential to practice good online security habits yourself, such as avoiding phishing scams and keeping your software updated. Tangerine offers a range of financial products, including high-interest savings accounts, checking accounts, credit cards, and investment options. Let's take a closer look at each product and see if they align with your financial goals. High-interest savings accounts. Tangerine savings accounts are known for their competitive interest rates. They offer flexible terms and allow you to easily transfer funds between your savings and checking accounts. Checking accounts. Tangerine's checking accounts are fee-free and come with a variety of features, such as unlimited transactions and free ATM withdrawals. Credit cards. Tangerine offers a range of credit cards with different rewards and benefits. Whether you're looking for cashback, travel miles, or points, Tangerine likely has a card that suits your needs. Investment options. Tangerine also provides investment options, including mutual funds and Tangerine investment funds. These options allow you to grow your wealth and diversify your portfolio. Fees and charges. While Tangerine is known for its lack of monthly fees, there may be other charges to be aware of. It's important to read the fine print and understand any potential fees associated with your accounts, such as overdraft fees or foreign transaction fees. Customer service. Good customer service is essential, especially when dealing with financial matters. Tangerine has a reputation for providing excellent customer service. They offer 24/7 phone and online support, and customers generally report positive experiences. Accessibility. Tangerine is an online-only bank, which means you won't have access to physical branches. While this can be convenient for some, it may not be ideal for those who prefer in-person banking. Comparison to traditional banks. How does Tangerine compare to traditional brick-and-mortar banks? While traditional banks may offer more personalized service, Tangerine can provide competitive rates and convenience. It's important to weigh the pros and cons of both types of banks to determine which one is the best fit for you. So, is Tangerine Bank doing well? Based on its customer satisfaction, product offerings, and security measures, it appears to be a solid choice for many Canadians. However, it's crucial to do your own research and consider your individual needs and preferences before making a decision. If you're considering switching to Tangerine Bank or opening a new account, visit their website or contact their customer service for more information. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.